Hi everybody, it's Marcy and welcome back for day 2 of the collaboration between Dearjuliejulie and Cara Creations called 7 Days of Spring 2021. Today I am working with this digital page from Dearjuliejulie. Has several images and some calling cards, a little playing card, and this library card. And then this page from Cara Brandon, where we've got a large tag and some butterflies and tickets and stamps, all sorts of stuff. So again, I've made a 2-page spread. Let's move that out of the way. And what I've done is over here, I made a double pocket using this and this from Cara Brandon, and I just stuffed into the smaller pocket the tickets and a calling card from Dearjuliejulie. Here I used the library card from Dearjuliejulie and this image from Dearjuliejulie, stitched around it, used a stamp from Cara Brandon, and just put a little piece of lace up top just to decorate it, frilly it up just a bit. And that fits right in that pocket. And you'll notice, because I'm doing a journal, everything I'm doing, I'm trying to keep relatively flat, so I don't end up with too much bulk in my journal. Okay, over here, I've got the Dearjuliejulie playing card that I have a brad through it. That way it turns. And here we've got this image from Dearjuliejulie sewn around with a little bit of lace. And that opens. So you've got some journaling space here. And here I have Cara Brandon's large tag. I used the Dearjuliejulie image and put that on top of the tag and left it open as a pocket. Here, I don't have anything in it yet, but I left that open so it could also be a side tuck. And like I said, after the 7 days, I will be coming back and adding, perhaps adding something here. I might need to let's see, what did I do on day 1? Where did I know I had a butterfly on day 1. Maybe I should, since I'm such a butterfly fan. Maybe I ought to, while I'm sitting here. I didn't use either of Cara's butterflies. And I don't know why I didn't think about it, but I always love embellishing with butterflies, so give the wings a little lift. And I'll grab my glue. And just give that a little butterfly. All right, so that is day 2 of the 7 days of spring. Please check out the other participants that are linked or that are listed in the description box below. And I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Until then, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.